So I've got this design in Studio, and if I were in any other software, I would then probably just export it and try to bring it into Origin and hope that everything cuts well. But the exciting thing about Studio is it's actually designed with Origin in mind. So we have this plan mode where you can specify what cuts you plan to do for any part of this design. So what I can do is I can say select just this text, and if I wanted to cut inside of it, I could set it to inside or pocket in this case is what I'm going to do. And I can immediately see already in Studio, it's showing me my bit size that I have already set is not going to fit inside of this text. So I can say, all right, well, I'll use a smaller bit then, and that should fit. It's looking better. I can set a depth because I want to have a plan for later. And then I can do the same thing for all the other shapes in here. This big rectangle is going to be an outside cut. I'm going to cut through my 1/2 inch material. And since I'm doing that much, I might go to a 1/4 inch bit. Then I can select these smaller holes that maybe I want to hook this onto. And I'm going to set these to inside. Again, a cut through. And since I already have a 1/4 inch bit planned for the outside cut, let's see if a 1/4 inch bit works on these ones. And it looks like it does. And just to be extra sure, we can head on over to review mode, take a look at what this should look like when we cut it on Origin, and make sure none of our paths are missing or none of our paths get clipped because the bit is too big, and this looks great. So this file is ready for Origin or BenchPilot.